Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Boxy Charm for October. Today in Boxy Charm we have 5 products in this box. This box is a $21 monthly subscription. Now in this box you will receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup to skincare to beauty tools and color cosmetics. Each box has a minimum value of $100. So I'm going to go ahead and review what's inside the box and tell you how much is each item that is inside my box. So let's get the card out. The theme on the card is called Alter Ego. So let's start off with, let's start off with the IT Cosmetics mascara. This is the IT Cosmetic mascara. It's called Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. This retails at $24. I have not tried it out yet, but I will take it out of the package so we can see how it looks. And this is how it looks. And this is how the applicator looks. And once again, this is the IT Cosmetic Superhero Mascara, and it retails for $24. Okay. The next item that we have in our box, it's from Pure Cosmetics. It's called the Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette, and it looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. And this is what it looks like. Sorry, I touched this color, this color with my nails. So you got highlighters, you got blushes, bronzers, and over here you got eyeshadows. And it comes with a mirror, so that's pretty cute. Once again, this is from Pure Cosmetics, and this is called Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And this face palette retails for $38. So already these 2 products that I just reviewed, they're more than the box, because the box is $21 a month, monthly subscription. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna review, it's the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it's this one. Everybody got different colors. I got Lovesick. So let me go ahead and swatch mine. Mine's like a purple, nudish, pinkish color. Let me go ahead and swatch it. I'm going to swatch it behind my hand. And this is what my Kat Von D lipstick looks like. And that is in Lovesick. That's really pretty. It's like a mauve, pinkish, pretty color. And this Kat Von D lipstick is $20. This is $20 for the lipstick. Okay, the next one is this Dermavovia Lace Peel Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Wow, that's long. This is a peel off mask. It looks like this. And it's got two face masks. Has the instructions in the back. So this peel off mask retails at $30. So yeah, that's even more too with the box. So that's a lot. With all these combined, that's way more than the box. And last but not least, we have Pharmacy Beauty. It's a green clean. And this is, let's see, it says, this cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. So this is to take off your makeup and clean your face. It says, every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. So this is what it looks like. This is the green clean. And this is called from Pharmacy Beauty. And this retails at $22. This is going to be interesting to try. So these are my 5 products that I got in my October Alter Ego Boxy Charm for this month. I was really happy with the products that I got and can't wait to try them out. My Boxy Charm box was valued over $134. Yes, I'm well over satisfied with my box for this month. So this concludes this for Boxy Charm, my friends. Thank you for sitting in with me to review my October box for today. Make sure that you stay tuned for upcoming videos. I will be reviewing my monthly subscriptions that I get with Boxy Charm and Ipsy, so stay tuned for those videos. Also my shopping hauls and my makeup tutorials and new products that I buy. So make sure you like my video, give me a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, just stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. Thank you, my friends. Love y'all. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See y'all in the next one. Bye.